Welcome to this explainer. So, have you ever stood inside a massive manufacturing facility or maybe a power plant and just wondered what it actually takes to keep that giant symphony of steel and machinery humming along? Well, it definitely doesn't happen by accident, and it certainly isn't magic. It requires a vast, highly precise toolkit in the hands of some incredibly skilled technicians. Today, we're setting the stage for an engaging tour right through the complete anatomy of mechanical maintenance. We're going to look at the exact tools required to keep the modern industrial world running smoothly, literally right down to the microscopic level.
Okay, let's dive into this. We're breaking down a truly massive inventory of tools into a logical five-part roadmap, starting off with safety and foundational prep, moving right into everyday essentials, escalating up to precision and diagnostics, scaling up for heavy-duty operations, and capping it off with specialized maintenance gear. Section 1. Safety and foundational prep. This is what happens before the work even begins. Now, the absolute golden rule of the plant floor is simple. You literally cannot fix a machine if you're at risk yourself. So this is our non-negotiable baseline armor. We're talking helmets, impact glasses, and face shields to protect against flying debris and sparks. Ear protection is an absolute must in these deafening environments, and it's all capped off with steel-toed boots, heavy safety gloves, and high-visibility gear. Before a technician even thinks about grabbing a wrench, they are stepping into this essential personal protective equipment. Right, so once the technician is suited up, the machine itself actually needs prepping. This is a totally crucial first step before any metal tools touch the equipment. You start out with a heavy-duty degreaser spray to cut through that stubborn industrial sludge, then scrub it down using cleaning brushes and parts washers, and wipe it completely dry with a lint-free cloth. Finally, you blast away any hidden debris using an air blow gun. A perfectly clean machine is really the only way to spot hidden flaws and perform precise, effective maintenance. Moving on to Section 2, Everyday Essentials, the true backbone of maintenance. For those daily routine fixes, it helps to organize these ubiquitous hand tools by their fundamental functions. For turning and fastening, technicians rely heavily on combination spanners, adjustable wrenches, torque wrenches, and Allen keys. Then for gripping and holding, you absolutely need locking pliers, like vice grips, water pump pliers, and circlip pliers. And of course, for striking and cutting, it's all about the trusty ball-peen hammer, your chisel sets, and hacksaws. It's basically a total arsenal of mechanical advantage that's just always ready to go. But, sometimes human power just isn't quite enough. That's where we contrast two very different categories of amplified force, your fastening and assembly tools versus your raw power tools. Fastening and assembly is all about high-torque, precise application. Think of hydraulic torque wrenches, air-powered impact wrenches, or a thread repair kit used to lock heavy bolts into exact, rigid specifications. On the flip side, your general power tools are really about rapid material removal and fabrication. This is the raw, forceful action of corded and cordless angle grinders, rotary hammers, and reciprocating saws tearing through the toughest metals. Section 3. Precision and diagnostics. Finding those invisible faults. So I want to pose a bit of a challenge to you. How do you actually see the invisible inside a closed system? Imagine a massive turbine or a completely sealed pump. How do maintenance teams identify internal machine failures, friction points, or leaks without having to shut the whole plant down and take the entire machine apart piece by piece? Well, the answer lies in high-tech inspection and diagnostic tools. These devices detect flaws that are completely hidden from the naked eye. For instance, a thermal imaging camera will instantly show a bright heat signature where a failing bearing is creating way too much friction. An ultrasonic leak detector literally listens for the high-frequency sounds of leaks in pressurized gas lines. An endoscope or a borescope acts almost like a medical camera, snaking deep inside the machine to give you a clear, graphical picture of the internal state. Meanwhile, vibration meters are picking up microscopic shaking, and a stroboscope or tachometer will measure the exact RPMs of spinning shafts. It's honestly like giving the technician a mechanical sixth sense. And once you actually find the issue, you have to measure it perfectly. Industrial machines operate within mind-bogglingly microscopic tolerances. For micro-outer dimensions, you're going to use an outside micrometer, or vernier caliper. If you're inside a cylinder, you need specialized bore gauges. And to ensure heavy steel parts aren't grinding against each other, you're checking those clearances with feeler gauges, dial indicators, and laser levels. Seriously, a fraction of a millimeter is often the entire difference between a smooth operation and total, catastrophic failure. Section 4, Heavy-Duty Operations. It is time to scale up the power. Understanding the sheer scale of these lifting tools is absolutely crucial. I mean, you can't just bend your knees and pick up a 5-ton generator. Safely moving multi-ton machinery requires immense, highly calculated force. Technicians rely on chain blocks, massive engine hoists, and lever hoists suspended from the actual structural beams of the building. And from the bottom up, they're using hydraulic jacks and heavy-duty bottle jacks, all secured with thick lifting slings and shackles to gently lift and position equipment that weighs more than a stack of cars. Once those massive components are in place, sometimes you need to permanently fuse them together or slice them completely apart. That's where dedicated welding and cutting tools come in. You've got your arc, TIG, and MIG welding machines for creating unbreakable steel bonds. For slicing right through thick metal plates, you bring out the gas cutting set, like an oxygen acetylene torch, or a super high-tech plasma cutter. And obviously, you have to pair all this with a specialized welding helmet, thick gloves, and a chipping hammer to clean up those welds. These are vital for large-scale structural repairs. Heavy industry also means you're constantly moving thousands of gallons of fluids and highly pressurized gases. So, specialized pipe maintenance tools are critical for keeping those systems flowing seamlessly. For cutting and bending thick metal pipes, you're pulling out adjustable pipe cutters and massive pipe benders. To connect them, you'd use a heavy-duty pipe threading machine to cut fresh grooves and a massive chain wrench to tighten down the joints. Finally, tube expanders and flaring tools ensure you get a perfectly watertight, airtight seal at every junction.
Bringing us to Section 5, Specialized Maintenance Gear. This is the Advanced Toolkit. Now, what's incredibly fascinating here is how bearing and shaft maintenance tools manipulate physics. Think about it. A bearing needs to fit incredibly tightly onto a steel shaft so it doesn't slip. So how on earth do you get it on there? Well, we use an induction heater. It relies on electromagnetic induction to safely and evenly heat the metal bearing. This causes the metal to physically expand just enough so it easily slides right onto the shaft. Once it cools down, it shrinks and locks into place perfectly. It's just a brilliant, everyday application of science. But what about when you actually have to take that bearing off or keep the whole system running smoothly? For extraction, when that cooled metal is locked on tight, you need a hydraulic puller or a bearing separator to safely yank it off without damaging the machine. Then, for lubrication tools, which are really the lifeblood of any system, you deploy grease guns, oil transfer pumps, and system testers to ensure every single moving part stays perfectly slick. To finish the job, we tap into the ultimate specialized arsenal. Just look at the incredible technical depth of a maintenance technician's role. They'll use a laser shaft alignment kit to ensure 2 spinning shafts are perfectly aligned down to the micrometer. If a rusted, stubborn bolt won't budge, no problem. They just grab a hydraulic nut splitter to literally crack it in half. They've got dedicated mechanical seal installation tools, custom gasket cutters, O-ring tools, and precisely calibrated belt tension and chain wear gauges. It is an absolutely amazing assortment of highly specific gear. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you pondering the incredibly intricate web of industrial maintenance we've just explored. Among all these instruments we covered, which tool do you think is the absolute most critical to a plant's survival? Well, actually, that's a trick question. Every single tool, from the humblest adjustable wrench and the basic safety helmet, all the way up to the thermal imaging camera and the laser shaft aligner, is completely indispensable. Take just one out of the equation and eventually the whole system grinds to a halt. The ultimate industrial toolkit is truly a masterclass in preparation, precision, and power. Thanks so much for joining me to explore it.
Every great maintenance job starts with the right tools. From precision measuring to assembly and lubrication, every tool plays a critical role. Use the right tool, work safely, and keep machines running efficiently.